In today's digital world, security is paramount. We send sensitive information online every day. This information ranges from credit card numbers to medical records. Protecting this data is crucial. This is where encryption comes in. Encryption is like a digital lock, scrambling information so only authorized parties can access it. It's the invisible shield protecting our privacy and securing our online interactions. Imagine sending a postcard with your biggest secret written on it. Anyone who intercepts it can read it. Encryption is like putting that postcard in an unbreakable safe. Only the person with the key can unlock it and read the message. This is the basic idea behind encryption, transforming data to make it unreadable to unauthorized individuals. Encryption is not a new concept. For centuries, people have used codes and ciphers to protect sensitive information. However, the digital age has brought about a dramatic increase in the volume and sensitivity of data being transmitted electronically. This has led to a corresponding increase in the sophistication and importance of encryption technologies. Today, encryption is used everywhere, from securing online banking transactions to protecting your personal data on your smartphone. It's a fundamental building block of modern cybersecurity, ensuring that our digital lives remain private and secure. As we continue to rely more heavily on technology, understanding encryption becomes increasingly essential. One of the most widely used encryption methods today is the Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES. This symmetric encryption algorithm is like a heavy-duty padlock for your data. It uses the same key to encrypt and decrypt information. Imagine a safe with one key. You use it to lock and unlock the safe. That's how AES works. AES is known for its speed and security. It's used in various applications, from securing your Wi-Fi network to encrypting files on your computer. When you connect to a website using HTTPS, AES likely protects your data. It's the backbone of secure communication in our digital world. The beauty of AES lies in its simplicity and robustness. It's like a well-oiled machine, efficiently scrambling data into an unreadable mess without compromising security. This makes it ideal for handling large amounts of data quickly and securely, which is essential in today's data-driven world. Whether you're sending an email, making an online purchase, or simply browsing the web, AES is working behind the scenes, silently safeguarding your information. It's the unsung hero of cybersecurity, ensuring that our digital lives remain private and secure. While AES uses a single key for encryption and decryption, RSA introduces the concept of public key cryptography. Imagine having two keys, one to lock the safe, public key, and another to unlock it, private key. You can give anyone the public key, but the private key remains secret. In RSA, you encrypt a message with someone's public key. Only they can decrypt it with their private key. This method is crucial for secure communication, especially online. It's like sending a locked box that only the recipient can open. RSA is widely used for secure data transmission, digital signatures, and secure email. When you see the HTTPS in your browser's address bar, RSA is often involved in securing the connection. It's the foundation of trust in online communication. The beauty of public key cryptography, like RSA, is that it eliminates the need to share a secret key. This simplifies key management and enhances security. It's a revolutionary concept that has transformed how we secure our digital interactions. Elliptic curve cryptography, ECC, is another powerful encryption method. Imagine a complex mathematical curve. ECC uses points on this curve to create keys. The beauty of ECC is that it achieves high security with smaller key sizes compared to other methods like RSA. Smaller keys mean less computational power and storage space are needed. This is particularly important for devices with limited resources, like smartphones and IoT devices. ECC is like a lightweight but equally strong lock, perfect for securing data on the go. ECC is used in various applications, including securing mobile payments, digital signatures, and even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Its efficiency and security make it ideal for securing the rapidly growing world of connected devices. As we move towards a future with billions of interconnected devices, ECC will play an increasingly important role in securing the Internet of Things. Its ability to provide strong security with minimal overhead makes it a crucial technology for the future of cybersecurity. Imagine two people wanting to share a secret message, but can only communicate over a public channel. How do they agree on a secret key without anyone else knowing? This is where the Diffie-Hellman key exchange comes in. Think of it like mixing colors. Two people start with different colors, then publicly mix them in a specific way. The resulting mixture becomes a shared secret color that only they know, even though everyone saw the mixing process. Diffie-Hellman allows two parties to establish a shared secret key over an insecure channel. This key can then encrypt their communication using a symmetric encryption algorithm like AES. It's like creating a secret language that only they understand. This method is fundamental for securing many internet protocols, including HTTPS, SSH, and VPNs. It's the invisible handshake that enables secure communication between your browser and a website, ensuring your data remains confidential. How do you ensure that the data you receive hasn't been tampered with during transmission? That's where secure hash algorithms, or SHA, come in. Imagine a digital fingerprint unique to a specific file or message. SHA algorithms take data and generate a unique hash, a fixed-length string of characters. Even a tiny change in the original data will result in a completely different hash. This makes SHA ideal for verifying data integrity. Think of it like a tamper-evident seal on a package. If the seal is broken, you know something's wrong. Similarly, if the hash of a received file doesn't match the original hash, it indicates potential data corruption or tampering. SHA is used extensively in digital signatures, file verification, and data integrity checks. It's the silent guardian ensuring that the data you receive is the same as the data sent, protecting you from malicious modifications. While SHA helps verify data integrity, it doesn't inherently authenticate the sender. How do you know the message you received is from who you think it is? That's where hash-based message authentication codes, or HMAC, come in. HMAC adds another layer of security by incorporating a secret key into the hashing process. Imagine adding a unique ingredient to your secret recipe. Only those who know the ingredient can reproduce the exact taste. With HMAC, the sender uses a shared secret key and the message to generate a unique MAC, or message authentication code. The recipient, who knows the same secret key, can verify the MAC. If the MACs match, it confirms the message's authenticity and integrity. HMAC is crucial in securing communication between two parties who share a secret key. It's used in various applications, including API authentication, message integrity in network protocols, and data origin authentication. It's the digital handshake that confirms both the message's integrity and the sender's identity. Encryption in action, IoT, and mobile security. The rise of the Internet of Things, or IoT, and mobile devices presents new challenges for network security. With billions of interconnected devices, each with its vulnerabilities, ensuring data protection is paramount. Encryption plays a vital role in securing this increasingly complex landscape. In IoT, where tiny sensors and devices collect and transmit sensitive data, ECC's lightweight encryption becomes essential. It secures communication between devices and protects sensitive data from unauthorized access. Imagine a smart home network where each device securely communicates with the other, safeguarding your privacy. Mobile devices, constantly handling sensitive data like financial information and personal messages, rely heavily on encryption. AES is widely used to encrypt data at rest on the device, while RSA and ECC secure communication channels, protecting your data from prying eyes. Encryption is no longer a luxury, but a necessity in our hyper-connected world. It's the invisible force protecting our privacy and securing our digital interactions, from the smallest sensor to the most powerful smartphone. The future of encryption, quantum concerns, and beyond. While current encryption methods offer robust security, the future holds both challenges and opportunities. Quantum computing, with its immense processing power, poses a potential threat to existing encryption algorithms. Imagine a key that could unlock any door. That's the potential power of quantum computers. Researchers are actively developing post-quantum cryptography, or PQC, algorithms resistant to attacks from both classical and quantum computers. These new encryption methods will be crucial in a future where quantum computers become a reality, ensuring our data remains secure. Another area of development is homomorphic encryption, a revolutionary concept that allows computations on encrypted data without decryption. This has significant implications for privacy, as it enables data processing without compromising confidentiality. Imagine analyzing medical records without decrypting them, unlocking new possibilities for data analysis while preserving privacy. The future of encryption is dynamic and evolving. As technology advances, so too will the methods we use to protect our data. The ongoing research and development in cryptography will ensure that our digital lives remain secure in the face of emerging threats and opportunities. Conclusion: trust in the digital age. In a world increasingly reliant on digital communication and data exchange, encryption is not just a technical detail, but the foundation of trust. It's the invisible guardian, protecting our privacy, securing our transactions, and ensuring the integrity of our digital interactions. From the moment you connect to the internet, encryption is working behind the scenes, silently safeguarding your data. Whether you're checking your bank account, sending an email, or simply browsing the web, encryption is the unsung hero of the digital age. As technology evolves and new threats emerge, encryption will continue to play a vital role in securing our digital lives. By understanding the basic principles of encryption and the methods employed to protect our data, we can make informed decisions about our online security and navigate the digital world with confidence. Glossary: AES, or Advanced Encryption Standard, a symmetric encryption algorithm widely used for its speed and security. RSA, a public key cryptography algorithm used for secure data transmission and digital signatures. ECC, or elliptic curve cryptography, an encryption method that achieves high security with smaller key sizes, suitable for resource-constrained devices. Diffie-Hellman key exchange, a method for securely exchanging encryption keys over an insecure channel. HA, or secure hash algorithms, a family of cryptographic hash functions used for data integrity verification. HMAC, or hash-based message authentication code, a method for verifying both data integrity and message authenticity. IoT, or Internet of Things, a network of interconnected devices that collect and exchange data. Quantum computing, a new type of computing that uses quantum mechanical phenomena to perform operations on data. Post-quantum cryptography, or PQC, encryption algorithms designed to be resistant to attacks from both classical and quantum computers. Homomorphic encryption, a type of encryption that allows computations on encrypted data without decryption.